Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Jingiakren Jingiakren Pynbeit Hapdeng ke US bat ke Iran ke belalong ha Pakistan kam shim poishno ru bat kam shim lami rai AA namad ke US kam pediang ki kendon jong ke Iran bat ke Iran ru kam pediang ki kendon jong ke US na ke US lali bermi khmat du Vice President jong kau JD Vance kat ba na ke Iran pat lali mi khmat du lampang juga yeng darbar ba jong ka Muhammad Bhagar Ghalibaf Henry ge Jingiakren handong ba Islamabad kam poishno ru Hadi makan Jingiakren kampoi Asia, Presiden ke US Donald Trump la berngam bagi sipai duriau ke US kin khang no yaki jahat bandrung banmi ha Strait of Hormuz ber la berngam ban sedang ladu mentaka janmiet jong kelas ngi ublei. Utrong la berngam ba unam sya ya bero ki jahat bakin rung ni kinmi lagi kat khai duriau jong ke Iran hendekan sya tangi kitu bawan lagi kat khai jang ki pat kiri. Kini kajing berngam Trump kelapan bitari ulam pang ke yeng darba jong ke Iran Muhammad Bhagar Ghalibaf berulang meminta kesor penyang bar ke gas ha US kelakiu bat lada ke US kelak kumta kedor kanang kiu syushu bagi nang Amerika kin sosat. Ulat horu ke ex akaun jong u da ke ba ai ke jingken haringkat kedor bagi degas mentah Amerika.
We have been at it now for 21 hours. And we've had a number of substantive discussions with the Iranians. That's the good news. The bad news is that we have not reached an agreement. And I think that's bad news for Iran much more than it's bad news for the United States of America. So we go back to the United States having not come to an agreement. We've made very clear what our red lines are, what things we're willing to accommodate them on, and what things we're not willing to accommodate them on. And we've made that as clear as we possibly could. And they have chosen not to accept our terms. Questions?
I would say it's holding well. Their military is destroyed. Their whole navy is underwater. You know that 158 ships are gone. Their navy's gone. Most of their mine droppers are gone. We have a lot of people, as you know, at 10 o'clock tomorrow, we have a blockade going into effect. That'll be 10 o'clock tomorrow. Other nations are working so that Iran will not be able to sell oil, and that will be very effective. But what we want to do is we want to, and again, we don't need it. What we notice and what we see and what I think is maybe my idea, maybe not, I don't know. But there are many boats heading toward our country to fill up with oil and then go and take it. So they're not going to go through the Hormuz Strait. And ultimately that'll be corrected. But in the meantime, they're using us. We have more oil because of drill, baby, drill. We have more oil than Russia and Saudi Arabia put together. So if you look at Russia and Saudi Arabia, two big ones, we have much more oil than they have put together. And what's happening is boats are coming over here, filling up. We don't have to go through the Hormuz Strait.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka bered ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki way na ka benta ka koi ka khya jongi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jingshania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arajar henril link ba ka section lai phoi iwe Pamde ka ba bapinyo ka license pila ba na apply ka online link ba ka website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ka ba pihap pan upload ru ikot kisla badan kam kat kum ka judging kam jong pi pila ru banyak kendo iki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habro ke district ke badan Meghalaya latno tang ha is khasihers pila banlet bet chak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan ra shapi daga commissionerate of food safety government of Meghalaya bat balakershan daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India